And it's beautiful riding through here. Am I wrong? I'm not wrong. Eventually they'll pave it. And I guess I need to stop telling y'all to come up 28, because then there's going to be traffic when I come through here. Nobody wants to be riding in traffic. Like passing those guys. Sometimes it's hard passing a group of Harleys. You sit and watch them for a minute. They do that accordion thing where they all stretch out and they all get close together. We were behind one yesterday, and that guy couldn't ride for nothing. And then he kept doing this rop, 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 rop. It was annoying. There's a group of 5 of them from somewhere like Iowa or something, I don't know. And he was the 5th one, the 5th rider. And there were a couple Harleys pulling trailers. And he'd screw around with his phone for a little bit. Then he'd race up to catch the group. And you know the group's like 5-10 miles an hour below the speed limit the whole time. If you're on a 45 mile an hour road and you can't ride the road at 45 mile an hour, you possibly should not be riding a motorcycle. If you're doing it at 30 and 35, if you're slaying the dragon, a 30 mile an hour road, if you're slaying the dragon at 15 miles an hour, you might want to stop riding a motorcycle, because motorcycle is just not for you. And by the way, if you didn't know, the part of the road that we just were on, Fontana store there calls that the Hellbender. So if you see that on a map, that's kind of where it is. It was kind of a pathetic draw to get people into their neighborhood. As you can see by all the motorcycle traffic in front of us, it didn't work. Here's my friendly reminder. I don't know what part we're watching right now. Hit that like button. We are going to the Deals Gap store. Dam is that way, water is that way. And there's a motorcycle pulling a trailer. Awesome. His and her S2000s. Not sure I'd do that. My wife and I had matching motorcycles for a while. She had a 96 VFR, I had a 95 VFR. Can-Am pulling a trailer. Probably one of those little pop-up camper thingies. I'm not camping. If it doesn't say Hilton or Marriott in front of it, probably now that I'm retiring, it'll say Hilton. When I was traveling a lot, I changed it off from Marriott to Hilton, because the Hilton honors points would transfer directly into my Amazon account. I didn't have to do anything special. You stay a night, $200, 200 points would go right onto your Amazon card. It was pretty cool. Then you didn't have to worry about, how am I going to use the Hilton points I got sitting out there? How am I going to use the Marriott points? I'm sitting on 1.2 million Delta Sky miles, and I don't ever plan on getting on another airplane. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. Delta was cool. As long as you got platinum status on Delta, you're good to go. Tennessee cracks me up. They got like a racing wheelchair on their handicap tags. And there's nothing racy about Tennessee handicap drivers. There are a lot of fish on the bed right now. This road smells fishy. Oh, get on your side. Pull over and let the Porsches by. Look how pretty that is. You're missing it. You should come visit. If you're not riding a Harley, hit me up. I might ride with you. You can do this 10-mile-an-hour curve at the speed limit, just to let you know. A yellow road sign is the suggested speed around the curve. At 10 mile an hour in yellow, suggested speed. If the sign were white, that would be the speed limit. The speed limit is 30 miles an hour. That's your driving lesson for the day. And typically the suggested speed limit for a curve is set for a semi, a large vehicle, tractor trailer. Just because it says 25 miles an hour, if you're in a car, you can keep